Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today's topic is deductive inductive methods in economics and positive and normative economics. There are two types of methods used in economics for deriving a law. First one is deductive method. According to this method, we say that some known ruling is already present, or you can say that in this method, some known principle is used as a base. Then, logical reasoning is done on the basis of known ruling. We do reasoning on whatever ruling is present. On that ruling, we do our reasoning. After that reasoning, deducing law from that known hypothesis is done, or we get a law from that ruling. This is called model building. In this model building, we move from theory to facts. Like theory is already present. In the presence of theory, we start collecting facts. For example, there is a general principle that people want to make best use of money. This is a general statement. This is a hypothesis which is already present. From this present hypothesis, we derive the result that when price is lower, people buy more of a commodity. This derived principle is called law of demand, and we derived this law through deductive method. Next is inductive method. According to this method, we move from facts to theory. First, we collect facts and then we give the theory. When we collect facts, we observe relation between facts first. Whatever facts are collected, the relation between those facts is observed first. After observing a relationship between facts, generalizations or general statements are given. For example, we go to the market first, collect data regarding prices and demand, and then give a law that demand increases when price decreases and demand decreases when price increases. Here you can notice that we talked about the facts first. We collected facts first, then we go to the market, realize that collection of facts which we did is in a right direction. Then we give a law that people will buy less when price increases and people will buy more when price decreases. This is inductive method. Positive economics. Positive economics means dealing of facts and their interrelationships, that how the things are. We deal with the facts and their relation, that how things move, how things operate in an economy. This is positive statement. We avoid value judgments, like things should move in that direction or not is a value judgment. We avoid that. We just give a positive statement. For example, percentage of population engaged in agriculture in Pakistan is a positive economics. Here we are not giving any value judgment that how much of population should be engaged or should not be engaged. We are just giving a statement that percentage of population in Pakistan in agriculture, this is the statement which is a positive economics. Positive economics deals with observed economy. Normative economics. Normative economics uses value judgments, or we say value judgments are involved in normative economics. When value judgments are involved, definitely personal opinions about what economy should be like is also given. So here we talk about what ought to be done. The question or the statement what ought to be done is involved with normative economics. For example, property should be taxed or not is a normative economics. Normative economics deals with desired economy. Then, economics as a science. What do you mean by science? Science is a systematic study of knowledge. In sciences, you collect facts. Just like that, in economics, facts are studied to identify a link between cause and effect. However, sciences are of two types: physical sciences and normative science, social sciences. Physical sciences are those sciences which deal with non living dead matter, whereas social sciences study human behavior in the society, who have free will and changing attitudes at different occasions. Sciences are also classified as positive sciences and normative sciences. Positive sciences explain only what is. For example, we may make a schedule of a tax amount collected from different taxes. This is a positive economics in which what is explained. Whereas in normative sciences, what ought to be is told. For example, weak points of tax systems, suggestions for the improvement of tax system, giving judgment about right or wrong of taxation. This is all normative economics. When we say that this should be done and this should not be done, it becomes a normative science. Economics as an art. Art basically is an applied side of a subject. Modern economists agree that economics has an art side too. What art is? Art is making choices, giving judgments, and giving judgments makes economics an art. Personal judgment to arrive at a decision. When we do this, economics becomes an art. For example, collection of data related to unemployment is a science, but when an economist suggests solutions to overcome a problem, it becomes an art. Thus, economics is not only a science but art also. We can explain it in some other way as a medical student. For example, as a medical student, a person learns basic facts about diseases and medicines. Later, as a doctor, he applies his medical knowledge for the treatment of the patients. Here, the subject becomes an art. Just like that, collection of data related to any economic issue is science. But when suggestions are given for the removal of that problem, it becomes an art. This is all for today, students. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Till next lecture, enjoy yourselves and Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.